What's up, guys? It's Tuesday, April 16th. I'm going to be letting the birds out. I'm going to let the 11 older first rounders out. Still have 12, but one has the broken leg. Yesterday, one of the reds were hit by a hawk. It usually traps back in really good, so no sign of it. Checked all day, but a little bit of rainy, a little overcast. I think it'll be good for them. And if I don't let them out today, they're probably going to have to stay in for the next couple of days. So let's do it. About these grizzles, I got two of them that are still out. With the rest, they just have a tendency to do their own thing. Yeah, these two. Well, the main group here, which is the original, well, 11 out of the original 14, they stayed up for about hour and 15 minutes to an hour and a half, except for these two grizzles. They have a tendency to do their own thing. But yeah, gotta let them out. The weather's supposed to be bad for the next couple of days, so gotta give them time. Up in the little aviary, we got the late first rounders, 1 second rounder. Got the one grizzle there with a broken leg. It's getting better. She can finally start putting weight on it. So another week or so, she'll be back with everybody else. Decided to give these guys a break today. This little blue bar right here, on its first day out, stuck around, but it took it 3 days to trap back in. So a nest mate sitting next to it, you can tell they both have the black bands on their other foot. One of them did good, one of them not so good. But with the weather supposed to be the way it is this week, it'll give them a little bit of a break. This guy right here, he hasn't been out yet at all. He's the youngest one out of the group. I'm going to add him in with the second rounders over here. Now, these are the second and third rounders, but they're old enough to start doing their thing. Had a red checker yesterday get snatched by a hawk. Right there, and that, right around that tree right there. The birds were going around that way. The hawk met him head on, snatched one up right there in the air. I was like, huh, that's definite first. It's come close, but that sucks. One of Beast Mode's kids got taken. It's a pretty good flyer too. Alright guys, well, there's the video, and I'm out.